Hi and welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate the window hammer function of the RsTec T1 emergency escape tool. As you can see, it goes through the window easily. Here's another shot breaking the window from the inside. Again, no trouble. And now, a demonstration of the seatbelt cutter function. As you can see, it will cut through any seatbelt easily in case of emergency. Note that the T1 is also equipped with a highly accurate tire pressure gauge. Click the link in the video description below this video to buy yours on Amazon.com now, before our limited supplies run out. To your safety.